grade 6s, so we are going to be starting our new unit on democracy in ancient Athens. So as we are going to learn, democracy actually started in ancient Athens. So it was considered the birthplace of democracy. So we're going to go through and learn a little bit about that. So you'll have some vocab to fill out. I'm just going to read through the words so you can hear them and understand, and then you can use your glossaries to find the definitions. So you have ancient, city-state, tyrants, epics, primary sources, inscription, direct democracy, decree, orator, tribe, lottery, agenda, magistrate, defendant, and plaintiff. So you'll use your glossaries to go back and find the definitions for each of these words. So, as we go on, remember to fill in the blanks with the bold word. You can pause the video, make sure you are printing these words properly and legibly, which means you can easily read it and they're spelt right. So, the birthplace of democracy. The ancient Greeks influenced how people today think about citizenship and rights. In Athens, a form of government developed in which the people participated. The democracy we enjoy in Canada had its roots in ancient Athens. Who were the ancient Athenians? Greece is a very mountainous country, and communities were isolated from one another by the rugged landscape. Because of this isolation, each ancient Greek city developed its own style of government, its own laws, and built up its own army. Independent communities like these are called city-states. Some of these city-states were controlled by rich and powerful people called tyrants, who demanded obedience from the people. So demanded obedience means that you had to follow their rule. Athens was different because over time, Athenians developed a system of government that allowed citizens to participate in important decision making. Eventually, many other city-states also became democracies. So, you are going to use page 57 in the textbook, which I've posted in the classroom, to fill in the blanks on the map of Athens on your page 6 of your booklet. Okay, so you're going to go through page 57 and you're going to fill in the different parts of the map.